So now we are at the Experience Center. Here we will be showcasing you the materials used for construction, what you pay for, what goes into your apartment, and also showcasing the technology of construction. So this is precast form of construction, which means the entire structure is steel reinforced and concrete, which doesn't need plastering, unlike the block structure, which saves a lot of time. So these solid slabs and walls are manufactured and assembled at the site. So once the slab is mounted, the tiles are casted. So the sanitary and the water pipes are of the brands called Astral and Prince. These pipes are neatly tucked inside the ceiling. The electric layout in a precast wall is preconceived with designated slots, saving a lot of time in chipping and plastering, and most importantly, it avoids leakage and seepage. So the doors are 4-layer engineered wood which does not easily expand and contract during summer and winter. The UPVC balcony and the window doors are of a brand called LGOS. It's a two-way slider. These are the main doors and these are again engineered wood. The roofs of every tower have a special 3-layer protection to avoid any leakage or seepage, also allowing the water to drain out with a slope. The plumbing layout of every washroom is neatly concealed, and the washroom floors are taken special care of with a 4-layer polymatic protection, which is very essential to avoid any chance of leakage or seepage. Once the walls are assembled, a layer of adhesive is applied and the tiles are casted in the washroom. The parking lot in the basement and the ground floor have a fire sprinkler, reflector and the number of the parking slot. Okay, so now this is one of the most important aspects of the project. If you thought for 50-60 lakhs you cannot have quality finish, you're wrong. So these are the global brands that go into your Provident house. So we have door locks by Yale, we have elevators by Schindler, we have Kajaria tiles, we have sanitary ware by American Standard, we have CP fittings by Grohe, which is one of the most premium brands, and wall paints by Berger and Schneider switches.